So after months of leaks and rumors, Google finally announced the Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL. Here is everything you need to know about the Pixel 4 series. You all know the Pixel phone is basically known for camera. This time there is no different. Google added a second 16 megapixel telephoto camera along with the 12 megapixel primary camera, which can offer up to 2 times optical zoom. 2 times optical zoom isn't that much, but Google introduced a new feature called Super S Zoom, which allows you to zoom much further than 2 times. That is really good. As you can see in the picture that 5.7 times zoom picture looks stunning. And a feature called Dual Exposure Control. This feature allows you just exposure in separate parts of the photo and capture vivid colors. This will also work in the photos that takes with another camera app. Another great camera feature is revamped portrait mode. Portrait mode is already good in Pixel 3 XL. Now with the second camera lens, portrait mode is now even better. It will give photos a DSLR-like quality by fading the background into an artful blur. Besides this, there are live HDR plus night sight. Night sight now lets you do astrophotography. As you can see in the picture, this picture looks simply awesome. Apart from camera feature, Google also introduced motion sense feature, so that is the outcome of Google's Project Holly. Motion sense will offer you a set of different gestures, and through this gesture you can skip music, silence alarm and phone calls. Pixel 4 also has a 3D face unlock system which would work similarly Apple's Face ID. Thanks to Radar chip for that. It will be the fastest face unlock system in a smartphone. Google also introduced a new recording app called Titan M Audio Recorder. Here's how it will work.
I've had a Pixel 4 recording the show for the past few minutes. As you can see, with one tap, I can get Recorder transcribing my words in real time as I'm saying them. Now, to show this is live, it is now 10:44, and it's pretty accurate. This means you can transcribe meetings, lectures, interviews, or anything you want to save. Eric backstage is going to save this recording. And now I can go into the search bar and find whatever I'm looking for. I can search for sounds, words, phrases. Let's see all the times I've mentioned Pixel across my entire library of recordings. The places where the word Pixel are said are highlighted in yellow in the playback bar, so you can dive into the exact part of the recording you're looking for. It's pretty cool.
The display of Pixel 4 has got a massive upgrade. DisplayMate has awarded Google an A+ rating and a Best Smartphone Display award. The displays on the Pixel series are 90Hz display and it can be toggled between 60 and 90Hz in the setting menu. The Pixel series have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, unfortunately not the 855 Plus variant. The phone has got 2GB of RAM upgrade than the Pixel 3 that are 6GB. 64GB of storage for a base model and it goes up to 120GB only. I mean, come on Google, it is 2019 and you are giving us 64GB of storage as a base model of a flagship, whereas company like Samsung provides 256GB of storage as a base model of Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Google could provide 128GB as a base model. In case of battery, Pixel 4 has 2800 mAh battery, that is even 115 mAh less than the last year's Pixel 3. Pixel 4 XL has a 3700 mAh battery. It's really shame that Google provides a 90Hz OLED display but not a good battery. Hoping that Google does something to make sure that Pixel 4 will have a full day battery. Finally, the pricing. The base variant of Pixel 4 is $799 and 4 XL is $899, and it will be available in the US on October 24. It seems Google doesn't provide much feature as compared to other flagship out there. It just provides the camera feature, some software updates and a few more things. However, if Google want to compete with other flagship, they need to upgrade their hardware section as well as their software. What do you think about this new device? Let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.